Hey everyone, welcome to Velour. Today I'll show you how to e-sign a PDF. Let's go to Google and search for, sign. We'll pick a service to use. Let's say small PDF. Now we select the PDF we want to sign. Any file will do. Let's use this one. Here we go. Now we can sign the document. Click Sign. Then click Signatures here. New signature, right? Write or upload your signature here. Hit Create and drop it in. You can also edit it, like this for example. And there's the download option. This was Velour with you. Don't forget to like. See you all later.